Good day traders, here's my weekly forecast for gold XAUUSD. In this video, I will show the key levels to look out and the possible buy and sell scenarios for next week. So kindly join me or stay with me throughout this video if you're interested in trading gold and if you like smart trading, if you want to make smart money in a sharp way. So it's still your guy Maxigi Forex XAUUSD, Maxigi Gold. So stay with me throughout the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to be getting more analysis on gold. As usual, let's go to our trading view. Okay, here, we still have our setup. As you can see, in my previous video, I told you that the market is likely to get here before it will continue uptrend. You come for a retest after breaking several after it have broken several support levels, resistance levels, that it will come for a retest. Here is it, and it got to my setup. So but let's start afresh. We are here for a new thing, so let's start afresh. Fine. So as usual, let's get to our monthly time frame. You will see the market clearly. Monthly time frame. In our monthly time frame, the market is still bullish overall. Is still bullish overall, respecting all our setups. Then let's go to weekly time frame, which is what we want to forecast. So weekly for next week, what we ought to do. So here's our weekly here's our weekly time frame now. As you can see, the market is still bullish overall, giving us higher highs. Giving us higher highs. So now what we do in this weekly forecast, we mark the key support and resistance levels. So why I'm interested in marking key support and resistance levels, because this is the area the market tends to slow down and the area the market seems to make decision. For instance, here is our first support level. Let's use the line and mark it, this yellow line. Why here is our first resistance level. Then for our deep support level, let's use here deep support level. Okay, let's make it here. So these are areas. Let's use here. Let's just use area will be sure, so that once the market break any of this area, we know that definitely it's respecting our direction. So once the market break any of this area I'm marking now, either downwards or upwards, it's likely to continue either direction. You get? So and these also areas where the market will give us a possible buy setup or sell setup. So if the market gets here, calm down, keep watching. Once it gets here, if possible, you can set alarm for it. You get? So you see, like trading view have a lot of things. You see where they say add alarm on this part. So you can set alarm for it. Once the market get to that region, your trading view or your app will ring you, alert you to come and watch what the market is doing. Not when it gets to this region, you just put your buy setup or make your buy entry execution or sell end. No, you just wait for confirmation. Confirmation, I mean, is bullish engulfing for this side. Once you see a bullish engulfing confirmation, then you now make your buy setup. For around here, once you see your bearish engulfing setup, bearish engulfing, then you now make your sell setup. That's just it. So the place you will just stay, go and make your entries is at the lower time frame, which is 4 hours and 1 hour. Now as you can see, the market is pulling back, like it's tracing downwards. Even though had it been you saw this and make your entry, as you can see, from here to here would have given you maybe a reasonable amount of money, either $100 maybe in some hours, because these 4 hours, 4 plus 4 is just in 8 hours. Maybe you have gotten your $100 in 8 hours, depending the amount of pip you are buying and the amount of this. So I'm just doing it with the cheapest, that the micro lot 0.01. So if you have bought 0.01 lot from here now to this, should be giving you around $100 or above. Then now check if you buy above that, the amount of money will be making. So back to our business, the forecast we are talking about. So if you check now, this is giving us an uptrend. the market is going up. If you check with a trend line, you will see that fine. You will see that this still needs some little moves to come down and get to this place, or even likely get to here, because gold moves aggressively. Gold spikes. It may just spring, pam, you see it here, come back and close here. You get? So once you get here, you now, even from here, you start watching it, watching the movement. Then once you see that thing we are talking about, then you now make your buy entry. So here is the other block I'm telling you of, bullish engulfing. You see it, see red candle, see green candle covering it boldly, see the movement. They couldn't break it again, they just continue, respected that level and continue upwards. You get? So with this now, if you still use another trend line and check here, you confirm what I'm telling you. With this, you will still need that. If you keep it this way, you still need that this particular candle ought to get to this region to respect this one and continue the uptrend. So guys, these are areas you will look out for once the candle get here by that next week, because it's next week you will see this. Once the candle get here by that next week, then you now make your executions and know what to do. Thank you. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to be getting more analysis on gold. So we'll make this money together. Thank you. And you can drop in your comment how you feel about it, or how you feel about my channel so far. If you have an advice or a support or a guide or anything, just any way you feel about my analysis, you are welcome. You can kindly drop your view on it. So thank you guys. Now let's still check on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour, on our 1 hour time frame, here now we have our resistance level at this region. So let's use this blue line to mark it. We have our resistance level here, and we have our first support level. We have it. Okay, let's use here. Here is our first support level. So this region, these areas you can start making entry, or even you can even do a little scalp. You get, but this one is not for scalp. Once the market gets out, keep an eye on it, because if you find it difficult to break this region, if it breaks it and continue upwards, fine. If it doesn't, still coming downwards. So thank you guys for staying and watching up to this extent. I wish you guys the best. Happy weekend and happy new week in advance. Thank you.